This is Ford Transit, 153 brake horsepower, 2015 Euro 6, DPF or nitrogen oxide box. This is where the AdBlue is injecting in here. You can see how the AdBlue is crystallized. And if you look inside the DPF, I never seen anything like it. It's totally inside the pipe is fully blocked with AdBlue crystallization. AdBlue supposed to be helping the DPF not to get clogged, but this DPF has been clogged with AdBlue, not soot, not with ash. Thanks for watching. We are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Bromley, Kent. We have state-of-art DPF cleaning equipment. You can reach us on 07533636194, but that DPF I have just shown you is not possible to wash it, clean it in any way. Thanks for watching. Please click on like button.